In this lesson, tiri kuda kupa a brief summary of ZIMSEC Ordinary Level Mathematics. Tiri kuda kutarisa ma-formulas nema-concepts. Under the clustered topic number 1, numbers, tiri kuda kutanga kuita ma-factors. So what we need to do first is we have to give the definition of factors. So what are factors in mathematics? We define factors as numbers, or rather let us define a factor as a number that divides perfectly into another number. So we have to discuss kuti zvinomborevei kana tichiti a number is dividing perfectly into another number. What it means kana tichiti a number is dividing perfectly into another number, tiri kungoti without leaving a remainder. So if a number divides into another number without leaving a remainder, that number is a factor of the number it divides into. Let us give our first example. Our example 1, we want to consider the factors of 36. So factors of 36, notation yatinopa tinongoti f tobva tanyora kasubscript 36 is equal to. Saka panapa we want to list all the factors of 36, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Saka panapa, what do we learn from listing the factors of 36? What we learn is, firstly, 1 is what I call a universal factor. And a universal factor, I'm just saying this is a factor of every number. Saka apana number paspace wa real numbers yekuti tikada kulista ma-factors ayo panenge pasina 1. 1 inodivide into every number in such a way yekuti tikangonyora a whole number, for example tikangoti 3, we can easily convert 3 into a fraction, kana kuti tinogona kupa 3 some fractional representation tikangoti over 1, because 1 divides into a number giving us that number. So in other terms, zvatiri kutsanangura panapa ndezvekuti, for example, if we have n, if we have a number n divided by 1 is going to be equal to n. That is the reason why 1 is a universal factor. What else do we learn? Zvatakudzidza panapa, it is going to serve as a proof. A proof of what? Proof that we have listed all the factors. So how do we prove that we have listed all the factors of a number? Tinozviziva sei kuti talista all the factors of a number? and I want to highlight pakanzi all kureva kuti mafactors ese enumber. The way we know this, tinotarisa anonzi ma-corresponding numbers, and the rule which is going to serve as our proof inoti iyo corresponding numbers multiply to give us n, and we are defining n as the number whose factors we are listing. So of course tinofanirwa kudefine correspondence kuti kana tichiti corresponding numbers multiply to give us the number n, where n is the number whose factors we are listing. What do we really mean? What we mean is, let us rewrite our example. The factors of 36, 30, this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So chandiri kuda kuti muone panapa ndechekuti namba yekutanga occupying the first position nenamba yekupedzisira ndizvo zvinenge zvichiita correspond. Saka tikatora namba yekutanga nenamba yekupedzisira 36 times 1 tinowana 36. Saka tiri kutsvaga mafactors a36 tobva talista mafactors acho. Tikatora manumbers anocorresponda, zvandiri kureva ndezvekuti tikatora namba yekutanga multiply it by namba yekupedzisira, we should get 36. If we do the same pane the second number here and the second last number kunoku, you are going to see kuti 18 times 2 is equal to 36. So this repeats itself again. Tikaita futi the same pana 3 panapa, which is the third factor and the third last factor, you are also going to see kuti 12 times 3 is equal to 36. We are multiplying corresponding numbers. If we do the same, the fourth number and the fourth last like that, you are still going to see kuti tikati 9 times 4 tinowana 36. Then tikaita situation yekuti tangosarwa ne1 number panapa, which is 6, tinenge tagomultiply that number by itself, kureva kuti tinenge tagongoti 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So that is our proof. All corresponding numbers should multiply to give us the number. Let us take another quick example. Ngatiti tikuda the factors of 25 for example. Saka mafactors a 25 haanetsi, anongoti iwochi 1, then we have 5 and 25. Saka if we apply this, we take corresponding numbers. Panapa tatoona kuti 25 times 1 ichatipa 25. So since tasara ne1 number iri pakati ino ish, we just multiply it by itself. Zvazvinoreva panapa ndezvekuti chi 5 times 5 is going to give us 25. So if you list out all the factors of a number, you have to check if corresponding numbers are multiplying to give us that number. If that does not happen, zvoreva kuti you have made a mistake on your factors. So this is one of the things we learn. What do we learn next? What we learn from listing the factors of 36, tinodzidza kuti the n over 2th factor, like that, is always the second last factor, and only if, so if and only if tinonyora aine mafr2, n over 2 is an element of whole numbers. So what do we mean? If we list again the factors of 36, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Yatiri kuti n over 2th factor, tiri kureva half ya 36. So what is going to be the n over 2th factor? The n over 2th factor is going to be, panapa, we are taking 36 and dividing it by 2. 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 3 ndi 1, carry 1, and 2 into 16 ndi 18. So this is equal to 18, confirming what we have said. Zvatataura panapa in simple layman terms, tiri kuti kana tikalista mafactors enumber, half yenumber iyoyo inenge iri part of mafactors enumber yacho, kana half yacho iri whole number. Saka panapa taona kuti half ya 36 ndi 18. 18 ndo yatiinayo panapa. It's part of the factors. But it is not only going to be part of the factors, it is actually going to be the second last factor. And that is important. Let us say kuti mapiwa number hombe. For example, question yauya ichiti mutsvage the factors of 150. Saka iyi number hombe zvekuti you are going to take a little time. Before you do anything, you have to know kuti 150 over 2 kureva kuti half ye 150 ndiyani. So 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 15 ndi 7 to carry 1, and 2 into 10 ndi 5. Saka zvazvinoreva ndezvekuti pamuchati 1 panapa, which is a universal factor, 1 ifactor yemanumbers ese, then mobva mati for example 2, mobva mati 3, motarisa moona kuti 4 anopinda here. Saka 4 achapinda muna 15, 4, 8, 12, 3 times 13, 14, 15 achisiya 30, 4 azopindi muna 30. Saka pamunenge muchilista, mucharamba muchilista panapa. Then pamunongosvika pana 75, motoziva kutoti this is going to be the second last factor, and the last factor is going to be 150, which is the number itself. So this is very important pakulista mafactors, kuti musazoramba muchizama kuti ko 76 inopinda here muna 150. Munenge musingacharambi muchizama because munenge maunderstanda kuti half ye the number yatiri kutsvaga mafactors ayo, half yacho kana iri a whole number. This is very important. Half yacho should be a whole number. What if kana half yacho isiri a whole number? I can give you a quick example. Here the factors of 25 is equal to. So tamalista panapa tikati ndi 1, 5, 25. Mukauya kunoku, muchaona kuti half ya 25 2 into 2 1, 2 into 2 it's 1, and 2 into 5 that is 2 with the remainder of 1 over 2. Saka half yacho ndi 12 and a half. 12 and a half is not an element of whole numbers. 12 and a half is not a whole number. That is why isina kulistiwa panapa. Ma-factors atinenge tichida, they should be whole numbers kana kuti positive integers. So instead of saying whole number, munogona kuti chi positive integers, like that. So what then do we learn? What more do we learn from listing out the factors of 36? We learn that the nth factor is always the last factor. Saka mukaramba muchiita izvi muchaona kuti, for example, tikati tinoda kuziva kuti hafu yahafu ndeyani. Hafu yahafu iri equal to 1 quarter from 1 times 1 numerator by numerator over 2 times 2 denominator by denominator. It's 1 quarter. Taziva kuti it's 1 quarter, muchaona kuti the 1 quarterth factor is going to be the third last factor if it is a whole number. Saka hatisi kuda kuramba tichidzira this rabbit hole. Ngatigumirei pakuziva kuti half yenhamba yatiri kutsvaga mafactors ayo, kana namba yacho iri whole number, half yacho ndo inenge iri second last factor. But iyo last factor inenge imbori chii? Last factor is the number itself. If we list again the factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. You are going to see that the last factor is the number itself. Saka panapa pakulista mafactors aya, taona kuti there are 3 special numbers. Actually, there are 2 special numbers. The third is dependent on whether it is a whole number or not. But this last factor, ndo yatiri kuti nth factor, then 1 ino ish ndo yatiri kuti chi universal factor, then the second last factor ish yatiri kuti n over 2th factor. We should know kuti it's if and only if this n over 2 kana kuti half ya 36 iri an element of whole numbers, or rather positive integers. Saka ndo zvatadzidza mafactors. We have summarized everything we have to know about mafactors. Let us now discuss multiples. We have to first define what a multiple is. Saka we define a multiple, kana kuti multiples, as numbers we get after multiplying n, and we are representing n, cannot using n for any number, by the set 1, 2, 3, 4 and so forth. Set iri ndo rinenge richinzi chii muchirungu? This is the set of positive integers in succession. So this definition is very important. But chingori chirungu chiri kutsanangura kuti. Let us use an example to illustrate zviri kutsanangurwa. Let us say that we need the multiples of 6. We want to list the multiples of 6. What does this mean? Chekutanga, notation yatinoshandisa tinongoti M6. Saka M6 representing the multiples of 6, it's equal to, panapa takudzokera ku times table. Patairohwa paya richinzi 6 times 8 inge remainder work, and maybe your brain does not work as fast as you wish, then you are punished for that. Saka panapa ndo patenge takuimba 6 to 18 and so forth. Aya ndo multiples a6. But tikamacherechedza tichaona kuti multiples a6 aya ari kungobva pakuti 6 times 1 panapa, comma 6 times 2 panapa, comma 6 times 3 apo, comma, and so forth. Saka patati numbers we get after multiplying n, in our example n is 6, by the set of positive integers in succession. We are going to take note kuti multiply 6 na 1, multiply 6 na 2, multiply 6 na 3. Kana takuda the next multiple ya 6, tenge multiply 6 na 4. Ndizvo zvinoreva kuti multiple. It's not that difficult. So having done this, tinenge tatopedza kudiscussa multiples. Let us go to prime numbers. We want to define what a prime number is. So a prime number is a number with only two factors, which are, that is 1 and itself. Ndiyo inonzi prime number. So my factors tamadefine, if you remember, we defined factors as numbers dividing into another number without leaving a remainder. So if we have a number in a two factor, 1 and itself, that number is called a prime number. Saka if we want to list prime numbers, we are going to list them like this. Tinotangira pana 2, tobva tati 3, then 4 haiite because 2 anopinda muna 4. Saka reason yatapika 2 na 3, tatanga na 2. You take note kuti 2 ine two factors, 1 and itself. Like hatina imwe number besides 1 na 2 inopinda muna 2 isingasiye remainder. It is the same for 3, but 4 haiite because 4 ine factors 3, ina 1, ina 2, ina 4. 5 inoita, 6 haiite because of 3, 7 inoita, 8 haiite, but 9 haiite zvakare, 10 haiite, 11 inoita, and so forth. So what we learn here is chekutanga, and this is a nota bene, it's very important. 1 is not a prime number. Because by definition, a prime number should have two factors, 1 and itself. 1 is only one factor, which is 1. Saka 1 is not a prime number. Many people make a mistake here by assuming that 1 is a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. The second thing we learn is 9 is not a prime number. It's funny, but 9 is not a prime number. Come to think of it, you see that 9 cannot be a prime number because it has three factors, 1, 3, and 9. But many people make a mistake. This is actually a common error. Many people make the mistake of assuming that 9 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. So having done this, we have introduced and defined prime numbers. We are going to talk about something now. What is it? Expressing as a product of prime numbers, not prime factors, as a product of its prime factors. So there are questions vadikani anouya achitivhunza kuti we should express a number as a product of its prime factors. Let us say kuti tapiwa 36. How do we do that? Saka method yatichashandisa panapa ichaaplya to the lowest common multiple, the highest common factor, ichaaplya zvakare in a limited sense kumanumber basis. Method yacho ndeyekuti we are going to repeatedly divide into 36 using the smallest factor starting from 2. So tikati 2 into 3, that's 1, remainder 1, and 2 into 16, 8. We repeat with 2. 2 into 18, 9. Then 2 haichapinde, we go to 3. 3 into 9, 3, and 3 into 3, 1. Therefore, 36 as a product of its prime factors is going to be equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Inogona kunyorwa yakadai so 2 squared times 3 squared, like that. So we have discussed everything which can be asked on prime numbers. Of course, Zimsek has creative liberty. Kureva kuti they can ask you about prime numbers in whatever form they so much like. But this is a brief summary of what they usually do when they are asking people to apply their knowledge of prime numbers. Let us now slide to the lowest common multiple. Let us start off with an example. Ngatiti tanzi titsvage the multiples of 2, totsvaga zvakare the multiples of 3. Saka multiples are 2 anenge ari 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth. Multiples are 3 anenge ari 3, 6, 9, 12, and so forth, like that. Saka tikatarisa the relationship existing between multiples are 2 and multiples are 3, we are going to take note kuti we actually have common multiples between the two sets. Tikatarisa panapa, we have the multiple 6 under multiples are 2. Tikatarisa panapa, we have the multiple 6 under multiples are 3. Saka we can all attest that 6 is a common multiple. But even if we were to continue, for example, with the multiples of 2, taizoya panapa toti 10, 12, 14, and so forth. Because of what we have done, we can see that again 12 is a common multiple, because 12 are under the multiples of 2, 12 are under again the multiples of 3. So zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti when we are looking for the lowest common multiple, our answer is going to be 6. Lowest common multiple is equal to 6. This is the lowest common number when we compare the sets, cannot the list of the multiples of 2 or more numbers. So if we have 2 or more numbers, typically the maximum Zimsek ask about is 4, but usually Zimsek ends with 3, and kazhinji kacho they actually stick with 2 numbers. So that is how we find the lowest common multiple mechanically. But ngatiti we are given larger numbers. Ngatiti mubvunzo wauya uchiti find the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36. Saka tikada kulista multiples a24, tichati 24 times 1 towana 24, toti 24 times 2 towana 48, toti 24 times 3 toramba tichidaro. It's going to be tiresome. Saka we should actually manufacture ways of finding the multiples of 24 and 36, compare them, then find the lowest common multiple. How do we do that? We have many methods of doing this. So I'm going to kick off with my method number 1. Sakapa method number 1. We want to find the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36. So we are going to take 24. Then we are going to repeatedly divide it with smaller factors starting from 2. So 2 into 24, 2 into 2 is 1, and 2 into 4 is 2. Then 2 again. 2 into 12 then the 6, then 2 again. 2 into 6 the 3, saka 2 haichashande takushandisa 3. 3 into 3 the 1. Then we come here pana 36 like this. We do the same. 2 into 3 the 1, carry 1, and 2 into 16 the 8. 2 into 18 the 9, 2 haichashande. 3 into 9 the 3, and 3 into 3 the 1. Taita izvi manje. We are going to take 24 toinyora as a product of these numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Then we are also going to take 36 and do the same. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then because we are looking for the lowest common multiple, we are going to mark that which is common. Saka panapa tikuona kuti 2 uyu ari common because tina 2 kuna 24, tina 2 zvakare kuna 36. We do the same panapa for this 2. Then we do the same apple for that 3. When we write our answer, tinenge takungoti lowest common multiple iri equal to, takutora this set toirepresenta ne1 number which is 2. Toti times, totora that set 2 again, toti times, totora that set 3, patati times, manamba ese aya asiri paired, tinongoma multiply futi times 2 times 3 like that. So tadaro tinenge takuti lowest common multiple iri equal to 2 times 2 ndi 4, 4 times 2 ndi 8, 8 times 3 8 16 24, then 24 multiply 3, 4 8 12 carry 1, 3 times 26 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is going to be 72. So ndo mawaniro atinoita. But we can also do other things. Saka this will be a method 1.1 maybe. We take 24 is equal to, instead of kunyora kuti 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, takunyora kuti 2 to the power 3 times 3. We take 36 panapa. Instead of kunyora kuti 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, takuti 2 squared times 3 squared. Then panapa pacha apply muchingezi muchirungu yavanoti a paradox, kana kuti antagonistic. So zvinhu zviri paradoxical kana kuti zvinhu zviri antagonistical zvinoreva kuti zviri kuoperata in opposite to each other. So if you have done biology, the anatomy of the human body, you learn about mamuscles ari muruoko anonzi mabiceps. Saka mabiceps anonzi they are antagonistic to each other. Kureva kuti when one muscle contracts, the other muscle is going to expand. And when one muscle expands, the other contracts. They are acting in opposition. We are dealing with the lowest common multiple. But when we take note of commonalities like this, panapa kona kuti tina 2 to the 3 na 2 to the 2, panapa kona kuti tina 3 na 3 squared, our lowest common multiple is going to be tinokombea 2 to the power 3 na 2 to the power 2. Tazvikombeya tinobva tati tinotora ine the highest power. Even though tiri kutsvaga lowest common multiple, tichatora ine the highest power. Saka ine the highest power between 2 to the power 3 na 2 to the power 2 ndi 2 to the power 3 parati times. Ine the highest power between 3 to the power 1 na 3 squared ndi 3 squared. Saka inoyi manje you are going to see kuti yakangofanana neiyo. Waita daro 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 zvinongoreva kuti 2 times 2 times 2, then 3 squared ndi 3 times 3. So that is the same thing. Saka you can choose kuita zvataita panapa, or you can go with zvataita pasasa. But kune vamwe vanhu vari direct vanoda kuita arrive at their answer without much hassle. So you are accommodated with another method, which is going to qualify as our method number 2. Saka method number 2 zvainoita, tinotora 24 na 36 tongozviisa panhu pamwe chete like this. Tobva tatora 2. Toti 2 into 24 tinowana 12. 2 into 36 tinowana 18. Totora futi 2. Toti 2 into 12 tinowana 6. 2 into 18 tinowana 9. Tichatora futi 2. Toti 2 into 6 tinowana 3. 2 into 9 haapinde, saka 9 tinongomunyora sezvaari. Tozoya panapa totora 3. Toti 3 into 3 ndi 1. 3 into 9 ndi 3. Saka kana tatonyora 1 panapa zvotoreva kuti zva24 zvaendwa zvapera. Saka pano takungonyora 3, vanodzokorodza kunyorwa, tobva tati 3 into 3 ndi 1. Tapedza. Saka kana tadai so, tetakungoti the lowest common multiple is equal to, takumultiply manumber esaya 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. You can see kuti zvakangofanana nekuti chi 2 to the power 3 times 3 squared, which again is equal to 72, like that. Saka that's also a method inokutorai to the answer directly, or you can opt to go with this traditional way. But before we go to the highest common factor, I think it necessary panapa kuita stress kuti we have to take the highest power. This is very important. I cannot begin to emphasize the importance. So this is the traditional way. If you do not understand zvanga zvichiitika pa method 1.1 kana pa method 2, please stick with the traditional way. There are no marks for bravery. Chatinongoda is a correct answer, a correct solution. So we are done with the lowest common multiple. Let us go to the highest common factor. Let us now consider the highest common factor. So in order for us to define the highest common factor, let us look at the factors of 12 and the factors of 8, like that. So the factors of 12 is equal to tinonyora 1, which is an universal factor. Then we have 2, we also have 3, we have 4, we have 6, which is half of 12. Kureva kuti panapa tatongowana 12. Then the factors of 8, it's equal to, we have 1, the universal factor, we have 2, we have 4, and we also have 8. Because 4 half here 8, so our last factor is going to be 8. Then tiri apo kada kutarisa common factors between the factors of 12 and the factors of 8. Tinoona kuti tina 1, the universal factor, tina 2 zvakare. Saka tikuona kuti tina 1 panapa. Then we also see kuti tina 2. Then lastly, tina 4 zvakare. Saka kana takutsvaga the highest common factor, we are just going to take the value of 4. Because pama common factors are between 12 na 8, the highest common factor is actually 4. So this is how we do it manually. But let us consider kuti tinoita sei using method yatashandisa for the lowest common multiple, starting of course with method number 1. Saka for method number 1, we have 12 pano and we have 8 panapa. Then we have these lines. Tikati 2 into 12, that is 6. 2 into 6 is 3, and 3 into 3 is 1. Tikati 2 into 8, that is 4. 2 into 4 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 1. Tadaro, we are going to say 12 are equal to 2 times 2 times 3, and 8 are equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Saka kana takuda kutsvaga the highest common factor, this is going to be equal to, we are going to look at common factors between 12 na 8. Saka tikuona kuti 2 unouya ari common, tinobva tatomurepresenta na 2 panapa. Then toona kuti 2 unouya futi ari common, tinobva tatomurepresenta futi nani na 2 apo, tobva tati times 2. Saka 2 are common, we represent by only one value, which is 2. 2 futi are common, we represent with another 2. If we multiply 2 times 2, we are going to get 4. That is our answer. So ndo maitiro atinoita. Asi tina amwe futi maitiro atinoita pa method 1, 1. Instead of kunyora kuti 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3, tinenge takunyora tichiti 12 iri equal to 2 squared times 3. Instead of kunyora kuti 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, tinenge tangonyora kuti 8 iri equal to 2 to the power 3. Then panapa ndoda kukudzoserai paradox. And muchaona kuti paradox iri kuapply papi. Kana takuda the highest common factor, we look at common factors, which is 2 squared na 2 to the power 3. Then we take the number with the lowest power, which is 2 squared. And 2 squared gives us 4. Saka paradox iri pakuti ku lowest common multiple tinotora ine the highest power, asi ku highest common factor tinotora ine the lowest power. So this is the paradox. Paradox yedu iri kuti ku lowest common multiple tanga tichitora ine the highest power, and ku highest common factor tanga tiri kutora ine the lowest power. Kana muchida kushandisa mapowers, this paradox, you should understand it. It should be second nature to you. Saka, we also have a method which accommodates those who want to be direct with their mathematics. Method number 2. Yatinongotora 12 na 8 tozvisa panhu pamwe chete. Tobva tati totanga na 2. 2 into 12 ndi 6 and 2 into 8 ndi 4. Tobva tati futi 2. 2 into 6 ndi 3 and 2 into 4 ndi 2. Saka panapa tava na 3 na 2. Hatina a single factor inopinda muna 3 ichipinda futi muna 2. Because of that, tinobva tatomira. Takutouya kunoku takuti our highest common factor inenge iri equal to, takumultiply zvirapa, 2 times 2 vatawana 4 zvapera. Saka ku lowest common multiple taramba tichidzokorodza kusvikira tawana 1 1. Asi ku highest common factor, kana tatongoona kuti hapachisina factor ichapinda manhamba ese ari 2, tinotomirira ipapo tobva tatonyora our answer of the highest common factor. So this is the highest common factor and also the lowest common multiple. What we have to do now is we have to look at fractions. To understand a fraction, we should understand its anatomy. So we first look at the anatomy. Kana chiti anatomy, tongotaura pamusoro pe the make-up kana kuti components of a fraction. What are the components of a fraction? So we have a situation where A over B is equal to C. So tiri pano, A uno ushu anogona kunzi numerator kana kuti dividend. Then B uno uyu anogona kunzi denominator kana kuti divisor. C uno uyu anonzi the quotient. Quotient answer yatinowana kana tadivhaidha manhamba maviri. Saka tiri pano, it is very important kuti ndikurangaridzei by way of a nota bene. Note this: never omit the division sign. So the division sign, which actually is the division line, ratiri kuti division line nderino iri. Kana muchinyora mafractions, musarikanganwa. Vanhu vazhinji vanorivara vorega kunyora that division line, and in most cases they lose marks because kana pasina division line, we can assume that maybe it's a matrix. I can give an example. kuti munhu angatoda kunyora kuti 3/4 akaisa mabrackets, but instead of kunyora this correctly anyora akati 3/4 like this, akanganwa kuisa the division line. Saka munhu angona kuinterpreta 3/4 as a matrix. So this is just an example of the importance of that division line, which represents the division sign. From here, we want to look at how we add and subtract fractions. How do we add and subtract fractions? Saka tikatora for example a over b plus c over d. Then kuno kutotora another example a over b minus c over d. So in both cases, tinotanga tatsvaga inonzi common denominator. And in our case, it is going to be BD. In both cases. So what is important panapa? Kuziva kuti this is called what? A common denominator. And in order for us to understand the common denominator, we have to know that common denominator inogona kunge iri the lowest common multiple of denominators. Saka kutotsvaga the lowest common multiple yema denominator edu. In simpler terms, it can be simply a multiple of denominators. So it does not have to be the lowest. It can just be the multiple of denominators. Like that. Or rather, and this is most common, it can be a product of denominators. Like that. Saka ndinokurudzira kuti muirangarire as the product of denominators. Kana common denominator isiri obvious, just multiply the denominators. Muka multiply ma denominator, munenge matowana a common denominator. But in most cases, the lowest common multiple, munyange muchiziva kuti lowest common multiple, kana musingazive kuti lowest common multiple, ndo yamunowanzo kushandisa as the common denominator. So let us pick an example panapa to illustrate what is really happening here. Let us take 2/3 added to 1/2. Like that. Saka we need our common denominator, which is going to be 6. 6 to 1 epi from multiplying 3 times 2. Togona utinyora yakangoti 3 times 2. 3 into the common denominator, ma3 anochekana, over pasara 2. 2 times 2 yondian the 4 plus tovatati 2 into the common denominator, ma2 ochekana, osara 3. 3 times 1 the 3. So this is equal to, what is 4 plus 3? That is 7 over, what is 3 times 2 and 6? This will be our final answer. Saka iyo yataweka in this way. There is a quicker and smarter way, which I do not encourage. 2/3 plus 1/2. Like that. Saka tinogona ngodai so. Tinoti 2 times 2 towana 4. Tovatati plus 3 times 1 towana 3. Tovatati over 3 times 2 towana 6. Yobva yatongoita 7/6. Like that. So that is also another way of doing this. Saka following the same principles, we can actually subtract fractions. we are going to be using the same principles. So this is going to be a tricky way, ndoatinoti matricks. Saka aya ndima-encourage, because again I repeat, there are no marks for bravery. Chatinoda is the correct answer. Hazvina basa kuti waverenga zvigumwe here kana kuti une eidetic memory unogona kumultiplya zvinhu mumusoro. Wakadzidza the Trachtenberg method here, hazvina basa zvese izvozvo. Chine basa i-correct answer at the end of the day. But we should also know that time is of essence. So we should use methods which are simple to us, understandable to us, which help us to show the whole working, but using them in the least amount of time possible. From here, let us discuss the multiplication and division of fractions. Let us say kuti we have A over B multiplying C over D, like that. So chatofunga kutanga kuziva the traditional way of multiplying or dividing fractions. We are going to multiply numerator by numerator, and do the same for denominators. Denominator by denominator. So numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Tiri pano, we can also look at this in this way. Saka tinogona zvakare kuita divide by a common factor across. So what does this mean? We can exemplify titono dzofamba sei. 2 over 3 multiplying 6 over 3. So let us say kuti iyi ndiyo method 1, inoi iri method number 2. So method number 1 yedu tiri kuti 2 over 3 multiplying 6 over 3. Saka we have to multiply numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator. Kureva kuti 2 times 6, that is 12, and cannot over 3 times 3, which is 9. Then we have to simplify. Saka we use the factor 3. 3 into 9 is 3, and 3 into 12 is 4, to get 4 over 3. If we are to employ the second method, where we have to divide by a common factor across, tina 2 over 3 multiplying 6 over 3. Saka we have a common factor here. 3 anopinda muna 3 opinda futi muna 6. Saka tichati 3 into 3 ndi 1 and 3 into 6 ndi 2. Then we go back to our method 1. We multiply numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator. Kureva kuti 2 times 2 ndi 4 over 1 times 3 is 3. We get to the same answer. So that is how we do it. But I also want to remind you by way of a nota bene, not this. You have to always, and I cannot stress this enough, you have to always leave a fraction in its simplest form. And you can see kuti method yekuita divide across by a common factor yatongotitora ikatinangisa pa-answer. As method iyi yekumultiply numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator, which is the traditional method, yambotanga yatunza kunoku, ndokubva yazotiunza kuanswer like that. Saka ndo mafambiro azvinoita. In essence, we have summarized fractions in CIMSEC O-level mathematics. Let us now look at percentages. Saka in our study of mathematics or science or philosophy, etymology yakakosha. Kana tichiti etymology, tiri kutaura the make up of a word. Kuti inzwi kana kuti a word rakagadzirwa sei. When we look at the word percentage, tabuditsa the root which is percent, like that. We know that per inoreva kuti divide by, and there are many ways of looking at this. For example, pamunotaura paya muchiti mota yanga ichimhanya iri pa 120 kilometers per hour. Zvazviri ngoreva ndezvekuti we know kuti speed iri equal to distance over time. Saka tikada kutora this speed tikaiisa mu this formula, speed inenge iri equal to 120 kilometers over 1 hour, like that. Saka inongodzoka iri distance 120 kilometers over time 1 hour. Saka kuti per zvinoreva kuti divide by. Then tikatora the word cent, in whatever currency, kana paine masense, kunze kweamwe macivilizations akaita se the Americas vane makota cent nemahameno kana mahalf cent ariko, pese panotaurwa pamusoro percent, there is an association with the number 100. Saka kana zvinzi cent, we should think of 100. Saka basically kuti percent zviri ngoreva kuti divide by 100. And this is going to make sense if we come to think of it in this way. Let us have an example. Tikati wawana 50% mutest, tiri kurevei? Tiri kureva kuti if we are to convert from percentage to a fraction, inenge iri 50 over 100. Wawana half ye 100 marks. Saka wawana chi 50%. Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti kana tichida kuconverta from a percentage to a fraction, we are basically going to divide by 100. So in a more general sense, a percent is equal to a over 100. And going for our second example, tikati susu 32.5% inenge iri equal to 32.5 over 100. And ndoda kuti muratidze in your own spare time kuti this reduces to 13 over 40. If you do not get to this simpler form, you have to inform me in the comments and we'll see where you went wrong. But if you reduce 32.5 over 100, it should give you 13 over 40. So our key takeaway pama percentages, kuziva kuti converting from a percentage to a fraction, kungoti number iri pa percent yacho over 100. Saka you also have to think about the reverse operation panapa. Reverse operation, multiplier na 100. Saka kana tichida kuconverta from a fraction to a percentage, we multiply by 100. So for example, kana munhu awana 50 over 100, tichida kuziva kuti percentage yake yakamira sei, chango multiply na 100. 100 akachekana toziva kuti ane 50%. Saka kubva kupercent chichienda kufraction todivida na100 and kubva kufraction chichienda kupercent chichamultiplya na100. From here let us go to decimals. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pemadecimals, tinofanirwa kutaura pamusoro peinonzi point value system. Saka point value system ndiyo inotaura pamusoro pemaunits, tenths, 100 ths, 1000 ths, then from maunits we have tens. Saka panapa we have maunits achiuya kunoku ayanenge ari mawhole numbers, but we also have from this comma chichienda uku ndiyo realm yemadecimals. So to understand the point value system, we now want to look at common decimals as fractions. So we have to know as a rule of thumb that we have common fractions expressed as decimals. For example, the fraction 1/2 inenge iri 0.5. The fraction 1/4 it's 0.25, and the fraction 3/4 it's 0.75. But we should also understand how are we going to convert from decimals to fractions and from fractions to decimals. So if we want to convert from decimals to fractions, for example, 0.a is equal to a over 10. The reason here being we have units here and tenths panap. So it's going to be a over 10 because a is under my tenths. So if we apply the same rule, for example, pana 0.5, zvoreva kuti iri equal to 5 over 10. Or rather, imwe nzira yekuzvitarisa nayo ndeyekuti tinoverenga the number of digits after the comma. That number of digits is going to tell us the number of zeros. Saka since we have one digit panapa, zvoreva kuti we are going to have 1 0 up. And you are going to see a recurrence of this. Saka tiri apo, taona kuti it's 5 over 10. To simplify, changot 5 into 5 into 1, and 5 into 10 into 2, giving us a half. That is how we do it. Saka converting from decimals to fractions, we use the decimal point value system. As converting from fractions back to decimals, we are just going to use division. For example, having this fraction 1 over 2, tikada kuinyora in a decimal form, tichangoti 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 1 is 0, comma, we add a placeholder, and 2 into 10 is 5. This is equal to 0.5, like that. So that is how we do it. We also have to discuss how we add, subtract, how we multiply, divide with decimals. It's also very important. When it comes to adding and subtracting decimals, the first thing we should know is we should honor kana kuti adhere to the point value system. The point value system. And I'm going to use an example of subtraction. Let us say that we have to subtract 0.5 minus 0.25. Kana tichizvinyora, tinonyora yakadai so 0.5 subtracting 0.25. Saka tikatarisa 5 ishi tinoona kuti matens. Tikatarisa zvakare 2 inoi tinoona kuti matens. Saka matens anofanirwa kunyorwa akaberekana kana kuti akatevedzerana like that. Then since panapa pasina chinhu ndo patinonoisa a placeholder 0. So when we are subtracting panapa, we subtract the normal way. 0 minus 5, so it's 1. Panapa 3. 10 minus 5, that's 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2, 0. So we are also going to apply the same when we are doing addition. What is important is tinofanirwa kutevedzera point value system. What about the multiplication and division of decimals? When it comes to the multiplication and division of decimals, what we should remember is we have to count the number of decimal places. So we have what are called decimal places. They exist after the comma. So we have to count the number of decimal places and apply to the product. So this works for what? For the multiplication. We can take an example. If we want to multiply 0.75 times 0.5. Saka panapa pakumultiply, we are not so much interested in aligning things. We are not so much interested in the point value system. We only apply it patinenge tava neproduct, which is the answer we get after multiplication. So 5 times 5, that is 5, carry 2. 5 times 7, 35, 36, 37, so it's a 7 to carry 3. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 3, that is 3. Saka panapa, we now have to count the number of decimal places. Saka maverengero atinoita ndeaya, chati 1 panapa, 2 apo, 3 apo. So we have 3 decimal places. Toverenga panapa 1 uchitangira kuright kumucheto cheto, 2, 3. Zvinoreva kuti koma yedu ichauya panapa kunyora 0. That is our product. So that is how we do the multiplication of decimals. If we want to do the division of decimals, what we have to do is we have to look at our denominator. Then toona kuti what are we going to multiply our denominator with so that it becomes a whole number. Saka panapa, counting the number of decimal places, i1, 2. Kureva kuti if we multiply by 100, 0.25 inova 25. You can verify this in your own time. But because ta multiply an 100 ku denominator, we should do the same ku numerator to keep the value, to keep the value of the fraction. And I'm going to exemplify what this means. So what does it mean kana tichiti to keep the value of a fraction? Let us take an example. Ngatiti tina 1 over 2. Tonga panapa toda multiply na 5 pamusoro na 5 pasasi. 1 times 5 ndi 5. 2 times 5 ndi 10. Can you see kuti half iyi yakangofanana nekuti 5 over 10? Because tikashandisa the factor 5 kupinda mu denominator and numerator, we get half. Saka if we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, tikazviita izvozvo, tinenge tisina kukanganisa the value of the fraction. So when we do this, this will be 0.75 times 100. Tadzokera numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So this is 75 over 0.25 times 100, the 25. So if we use the factor 5 kupinda mukatumu, then we will eventually divide. Zvinenge zvanaka. Because we now know how to divide the denominator into the numerator. But tichiri panapa, there is also a law I want you to know. And this is very important. I keep it under the nota bene. Unless stated otherwise. Unless stated otherwise, keep your answers as fractions. Zvandongoreva panapa ndezvekuti do not convert fractions to decimals and or mixed numbers. Saka kana musina kuudziwa kuti answer yedu tiri kuida in what form, please chingoichengetai iri fraction. Chero ikava an improper fraction, hazvina basa. Musafarira kuconverta, especially to decimal. That is very dangerous. Because zvine consequences are two. The first consequence, you make your answer in most cases an approximate answer instead of an exact answer. Then number two, it is prone to errors. You increase the probability yekuita mistakes. Saka keep your answers as fractions unless stated otherwise. So we have demonstrated how to add and subtract fractions, how to multiply and divide fractions. We now want to go to directed numbers. We start off with the addition and subtraction of directed numbers. Saka umwe angabvunza kuti ko chimbori chii chinonzi ma-directed numbers? Chinonzi ma-directed numbers tiri kutarisa especially ma-negative real numbers. Kana kuti we are looking at numbers which exist before 0. Kurava -1, -2, and so forth, like that. Ndiwo anonzi ma-directed numbers. Saka kana tichida kuedha kana kusubtracta ma-directed numbers, without kuwanza mbambo pachitewe cheshindi, you just have to know this golden rule. Inoti kudini? It's actually a not this rule. When writing directed numbers, what should you do when you are writing directed numbers? You have to always start with positives. Mukatongozvijaira izvi, you spare yourself a lot of trouble. And I want to exemplify with two examples. Nganditi ndauya kwamuri ndikati -3 plus 2, kana kuti ndikauya ndikati 2 minus 3. So ndikati -3 plus 2. You take time, you can actually pause unless you are well educated in mathematics. But most of us tinotombopauza tichifunga kuti zviri kufamba sei, it's clear. But kana ndikauya ndikati 2 minus 3, kuprimary inobva yatongonzi it can't. Then tiri maform 1 pataka introducewa to directed numbers, we were taught to replace the phrase it can't in our brains with a negative answer. Saka it's easier kuziva kuti 2 minus 3 is a negative answer. You understand? Okay. Saka tichiri pano manje, we should also know kuti minus a minus b or rather, let me use real numbers. -2 minus 3 is equal to -5. So what did we do here? We add and keep the common sign. That is what we do. We add and keep the common sign. Okay. Then kana iri imwe situation, for example, kana esa ari ma-positives, takazviita from grade 0 to grade 7, form 1 to form 4. So I don't have to explain anything there. So that is the important part. Kana esa ari ma-negatives, you just have to add and keep the common sign. Asi kana ma-negative nema-positives zvakazangana, tanga nema-positives. Then ukatanga nema-positives, it's easier kuona kuti apa hanza iri negative. Asi apa hanza iri positive. It's easier. Trust me. From this point, let us look at the multiplication and division of directed numbers. What we should know here is A multiplying minus B is equal to minus AB, and minus A multiplying B, it's still equal to minus AB. What it means is different signs multiplying. So if we have different signs multiplying, of course, this is multiplication, we are going to get a negative answer. So kana multiply a negative ne positive, kana a positive ne negative, we are always going to get a negative answer. But if we come to another extreme, A times B is equal to AB, kana kuti minus A times minus B, it's equal again to AB. What this means is the same sign, it's what the same sign is a positive answer. That is what it means. Saka iyi ndo mitemo yacho. It's actually easier to swallow. So having done this, tinenge tatopedza with the multiplication and division of directed numbers. Now let us look at proportion. Looking at proportion, it's best we kick off with an example. So our example iri kuti if 2 people need 5 days to do work, how many days do 3 people need? So this question is actually taken from some grade 7 SimSec. I'm just using it to illustrate how proportion is done. Saka tikaverenga our question, zvanzi if 2 people need 5 days to do work. Saka we are going to write this down. 2 people need 5 days. So zvazonzi how many days do 3 people need? So 3 people, they need X days. X representing an unknown. So zviri pano hama dzangu, yekutanga iyi inonzi true statement. Then inotevera yacho ndiyo question. Aya ari 2 aya anonzi ma-statements of proportion. Ndositarawo. Then to verify kuti proportion yedu taiita zvakanaka, tofanirwa kumeka sure kuti either side kune the same unit. Kunoku kune people, uko kune ma-days. Kana tadai so tikanyora our true statement inowanikwa kupi? Inowanikwa muquestion. true statement. Then question inowanikwa zvakare pai muquestion. How many do 3 people need? This will be our question. Saka mastatements aya tinotongomatora muquestion yacho. We just have to make sure kuti maunits akafanana ari kuwanikwa ku the same side. So kana takuiweka, it's simply going to be 2 over 3 is equal to 5 over x. So zvatichaita panapa ndezvekuti we are going to introduce a division line on both sides, then replace the semicolons with an equal sign. Then tadai so much, we can now employ a method called cross multiplication. Saka cross multiplication ine ma-conditions. The first condition ndeyekuti we should only have one term on either side of the equal sign. Kureva kuti kuno uku ku left hand side neuku ku right hand side tinongoda one term. It can be a fraction, it can be a number. Either of them should be a fraction, but kogona kunge kuine number or fraction, we just need a singular term. Then pakatapa we need an equal sign. So cross multiplication, x uno achano multiply uko, then 3 uyu uno multiply uko. Saka kana zvakunyorwa zvinenge zvakunzi 2 times x iri equal to 3 times 5. Saka 2x iri equal to 3 times 5 ndeyani? 15. Tikadivide na 2 apo na 2 apo, zvoreva kuti x anenge ari equal to 7 and a half. Saka vanhu vari 3 vanotoda 7 and a half days. Ceteris paribus, of course. So that is how proportion is done. But proportion is also applied pane imwe topic inonzi conversions. So here again, let us kick off with an example. Example yedu iri kungoti convert 36 days to weeks. We want to convert 36 days to weeks. Saka we need a true statement. Apa true statement hatichaiwani muquestion. True statement takuiwana from the data we already have. What is that data? We know kuti 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. That is going to be our true statement. Then question yedu iri kuti for 36 days. Take note kuti ma days tamanyora kusedzawo ega inenge imbori equivalent to how many weeks? X weeks. Tikadai so, our statements of proportion are correct. Kune rimwe side kune the same unit. Our true statement is correct. Our question is also correctly written. So panapa inenge yakungoti 1 over x iri equal to 7 over 36. Cross multiplication zvakare zvongoreva kuti 1 multiplying 36 iri equal to 7 multiplying x. Kadivida na 7 kwese, x inge ingori equal to 36 over 7, which is 5 and 1 over 7, which turns out to be 5 weeks and a day. So itogona kuzenyora yedu takati 5 weeks 1 day. But kana question yatobvunza ichiti convert to weeks, zvoreva kuti answer iyi inenge itori wrong. Answer yechokwadi inofanirwa kuva 5 and 1 over 7 weeks. So ndo mashandiro anenge achiita ma-conversions. But tichiri pama-conversion, we do not only use proportion, we can also use what we call the conversion chain. Saka conversion chain inoshanda sei? Zvatinongoita, tine anenge achinzi ma-lower degree units neanonzi ma-higher degree units. Saka a lower degree unit inenge iri low. For example, let us take example yatiinayo. We want to convert 36 days to weeks. Saka in this case tinenge takuti days tobva taisa line panapa tobva tati weeks. Kunoku tanyora yatinoti a lower degree unit LDU, uko tanyora a high degree unit HDU. Lower degree because my days, a day, 1 day, it's lower than 1 week. That is where we are driving this from. Then paline rataisa pakati apa, we have to know how many days do we have in weeks. We have 7 days in a week. Then what happens when we are converting from a lower degree unit to a higher degree unit? Kana tichibva ku lower degree unit tichienda ku higher degree unit, what we have to do is we have to divide by 7. Divide by number iri pakati panapa. When we are coming from a lower degree unit to a higher degree unit. But if we are coming from a higher degree unit to a lower degree unit, we have to multiply by 7. Saka from lower to higher, we divide by 7. Zviri paradoxical futi. Because tikubva ku lower tichienda ku higher, then we are expected to divide. Asi kana takubva ku higher tichienda ku lower, we are expected to multiply. Saka panapa izvozvi izvizvi zvoreva kuti kana tichida kuziva kuti 36 days maweeks mangani, we know kuti we are just going to divide 36 na7, 36 over 7 weeks. Zvatopera. So that is the conversion chain, and it is applicable whenever you are doing conversions. You have to choose between proportion and the conversion chain, or any other method you know, because we have more than one way of killing a cat. There are many ways of killing a cat. Let us now look at ratio. So ratio inofamba sei? Let us say we have this ratio 1:n. Tikada kuiconverta to a fraction inenge iri 1:n kana kuti 1/n. Saka conversion iyi, what is important here is, take note of this, we have to respect kana kuti follow respectively kana kuti respective order. Saka respective order order of appearance. Since iri 1:n, zvinoreva kuti inofanirwa kuva 1/n. That is very important. I don't want to say anything here because I don't want to confuse you. The other thing is now, let us say we have a ratio of 2:12. We can actually divide both sides. We can divide, we can also multiply both sides with a common factor. We can divide and also multiply both sides with a common factor. Saka 2:12 kada kuiconverta to 1 something, tichangodivhaidha panapa na2 apo futi na2. Ma2 aya achachekana kuti pa1. 2 into 2 nde1 into 12 nde6. Therefore it's 1:6, like that. So we should be able to utilize this. From here, let us go to number patterns. Looking at number patterns, what we have to consider initially, we have to check for obvious patterns. So we have what are called obvious patterns. Let us look at an example. This is our example number 1. Gatiti we have 2, 4, 6, 8. So Azanzi, give us the next 3 elements. This is an obvious pattern because it's simply 2, 4, 6, 8. Of course, here it's 10, here it's 12, and here it's 14, because these are multiples of 2. So that is an example there. We can also look at another example where we have 1, 3, 5, the next 3 elements. Saka tikatarisa 1, 3, 5, we can see kuti tikati 1 plus 2 towana 3. Tikati 3 plus 2 towana 5. So 5 plus 2, that's 7. 7 plus 2, it's 9. And 9 plus 2 is 11. This might not be as obvious as I wish it to be, but I'm just using it as an example. Let us say kuti we do not have obvious patterns. So in a situation where they are not obvious, if not obvious, we have to find the in-between number. And how do we find the in-between number? Defining again kuti chii chinombonzi in-between number. Let us look at this. We have this 1, 3 and 15, like that. Towatanzi tiwane maybe the next term. So panapa, what we can see is tikati 1 times 3 tinowana 3. Tikati 3 times 5 tinowana 15. So 3, 5 unoyu, then panapa tinenge takuti times ani 7 kuti tiwane that number. Nemhaka yekuti we have established kuti the pattern iri pasi panapa, pattern yacho yakamira sei? The pattern is one of prime numbers. Saka in between number, numbers anenge ari in between panapa anoexista at different levels of relationships. We can take this for example. 1, 3, 5. We need to know what is next here. So tikadai so apa, tikati 3 minus 1 towana 2. Tikati 5 minus 3 towana 52. So relationship yatakutoona panapa ndeyekuti pasi panapa pane ma2. Saka tichati 5 plus 2 takuwana 7. 7 plus 2 towana 9. Saka you have to practice a lot to be able to know kuti relationship iri pasi panapa iyo relationship numbers yacho ichii. Panapa tiringoona kuti number yacho ndi 2. Apa taona kuti prime numbers. Then numbers ari pasi acho in between numbers, how do they relate with numbers ari pamusoro? That is also what you should look up to when you are doing number patterns. Let us now cross over to the degree of accuracy. When we look at the degree of accuracy, we are dealing with answers which are approximations. Kazhinji kacho tirikudhila nemadecimals. So tirikuda reduce to a certain degree of accuracy. I know I am repetitive in trying to explain the degree of accuracy. No better way to explain than to deal with examples. Kana tina a, b, which is a decimal, ikanzi iri to the nearest whole number. What does it mean? Zvinofamba sei? This is to the nearest whole number. What it means is we should look at this value, b unoyu. That is what we should look at. Then we should see kuti b ari papi on this scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then pano tina 5. Saka kana b uyu ari 5 and above ane inonzi rounding off effect. And chinonzi rounding off it's just adding 1. It's just adding 1. It's a +1 effect. Asi kana iri 4 and below anenge aine no effect at all. The status quo remains. Kureva kuti zvazvingori ndo zvazvingori. Ndo inonzi status quo remains. Like that. So we can look at examples. Let us say tanzi isusu tiite 3.4 to the nearest whole number. So 3.4 inenge equal to 3 to the nearest whole number. What is the reason for that? The reason for this, hama dzangu, inhau yekuti 4 uno ushu, and which is actually the 10th value to the unit value. So I don't want to jargonize this. 4 uno uyu, which is the first number we have after the comma, are less than 5. Saka haana an effect kuna 3. Haedi 1 kuna 3. That is why answer yedu ichingobuda iri 3. But if tables 10 and we have 3.8, this will be equal to 4 to the nearest whole number. And what does this imply? What does this mean? Zviri kubuda nekuti uno ushu a2 are above 5. Saka an a rounding off effect. Kureva kuti achango edda 1 up. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. That will be the answer. What if it becomes a comma bc to the nearest 1 decimal place? So we have been introduced to decimal places already. Patanga tichitarisa nyaya yemadecimals, decimal point value system yatadiscussa earlier. So panapa we have 2 decimal places, 1 and 2. But kana tikanzi to the nearest 1 decimal place, so that we should reduce that. So we are looking at this second decimal place. Toona kuti, is that number greater than 5 or greater, or it's actually 4 and lesser or lower? That would determine its rounding off effect, kana kuti the remaining of the status quo. Tiri pano manje, if we want to look at some examples, say tina 2.53 tanzi to 1 decimal place, we look at 3 unoshu. It does not have a rounding off effect. Kureva kuti it's just 2.5 to 1. dp is just to shorten out decimal place. But ikazouya yakatikana kuti 3.65 like that, then 5 uno it's 5 and greater. Kureva kuti in a rounding off effect ichaedda 1 apa, 3.7 to 1 decimal place, like that. Tadaro, let us look at a certain special case. And they actually love this special case. Speaking of same-sex, that is. Ngatiti tina 2.91. Tikuda kui-expressa kana kui-reducer to the nearest 1 decimal place. This is going to be equal to, we look at 1 inoi, it does not have a rounding off effect, so inongodzoka 2.9 to 1 decimal place. But the special case actually comes when we are looking at something like 4.96, it's equal to. Tirikuda kui-expressa to 1 decimal place. 6 unoi ane rounding off effect. Akaedda 1 kuna 9. Problem yaapo manje ndeyekuti 9 anobva ava 10. But isusu toda kuti madigits edu ave masingle digits. that is from 1 to 9. Saka akava 10 panapa, anobva aedha futi kuna 4. Kura kuti answer yedu inenge iri 5.0 to 1 decimal place. But paanswer yandanyora iyoyi pane a nota bene. The nota bene says the placeholder 0, that placeholder 0 is necessary ine ukoshwa for the answer to be to 1 decimal place. That is it. Saka koma 0 iyi inotofanirwa kunyorwa hamawe, aisiwe. Kunyange kuti 5.0 zvinoita senge it's just mutu, it's just repetitive, but aisiwe. Nepamusana pekuti answer yedu should have 1 decimal place. Saka koma 0 iri kurepresenta that decimal place. That is the special case we are referring to. So please be careful when that is asked. Let us now look at significant figures. When looking at significant figures, chekutanga kuita take note of significant digits. So kana tichitaura pamusoro pema-significant digits, tiri kungotaura pamusoro pema-numbers from 1 up to 9. Ndo anonzi ma-significant digits. But one might ask kuti ko 0 tamusirei, takamuvenga here? We actually have a special case for 0. Saka pana 0 zvinofamba sei? The special case is, and this is a nota bene, 0 is only a significant digit, an SD, if it is in between integers. Saka 0 inongoita a significant digit kana iri pakati pema-significant digits. Kana 0 iri kwekutanga haiverengwi as a significant digit. So you are going to soon see kuti pane nhau dzekuverenga panapa, kuverengwa kwema-digits. That is where we are driving to. Okay, no better way of explaining this than examples. So example 1, iri kuti iyo 2.433 to 2 significant figures inenge iri equal to chi. So what we do is we have to read the first 2 significant figures. Tomaverenga 1, 2. Then we look at the next immediate kuri right. We see if it has a rounding off effect or if it does not. Saka because it's 3 less than 5, haina a rounding off effect. Saka our answer just becomes 2.4. Singe zvatopera. Okay. If we are to take on another example, example 2, ngatiti tapiwa 0.083 zvanzi to 1 significant figure. Saka patichaverenga ma-significant digits, toda ngoverenga 1 chete. Hativerengi 0 uyu na 0 uyu because vari kwekutanga. 0 angoverengwa chete kana ari pakati pema-integer, or number, counting numbers maybe. You might understand it in that way. So our first significant digit be 1, the 8. Kura tichatarisa kuno kutona no rounding off effect, kureva kuti answer yedu inenge iri 0.08. That's our example number 2. If we look at example 3, 1017 to 2 significant figures is equal to, saka panapa we also have to count our significant digits. Kamaverenga angachiti 1, 2. Saka 0 ari kuverengwa as a significant digit because ari pakati pa1 na1. And kana chiti pakati handisi kureva kuti literally pakati. Ndiri before tasvika kuna 0 we should have a real number, a counting number. Saka chero dai yanga yakati 1000, mazero ari pamberi pa1 anoverengwa as significant digits because ari kuexista after a counting number, an integer, a significant digit. So panapa, because taverenga 1 2 1 ino yaina rounding off effect, kureva kuti answer yedu panapa inenge iri 1000. And the reason why our answer iri 1000 not 10 inawe yekuti amwe mazero ari toyatamawedzera to keep the value of the number. Deno panga paina koma panapa, it would have been a different issue. So basically this summarizes this matter of significant figures. If you read your questions, my instructions, you usually find that they need you to reduce answers which are not exact to 3 significant figures unless stated otherwise. Then my degrees vanowanzo kuti to 2 or 1 decimal places. Let us now look at the standard form. Looking at the standard form, we should know that there is a generalized form. That generalized form inenge ichiti a times 10 to the power n. So a times 10 to the power n is the general form of the standard form. But we should know panapa kuti this is where 1 is less than or equal to a, which is less than 10. Ngoreva kuti a should be pama digits 1 kusvikira pana 9. It can also be a decimal. Saka real numbers between 1 and 9. And togona kuitaura takadaro, real numbers between 1 and 9. But 9 is not our maxima. 9 inowedzera tisingazosviki pa10. Ndosaka tichiti a should be less than 10 as a should be greater than or equal to 1. Then n ino e should just be a whole number, but we should also see that this is a power. So our power should be a whole number. It can either be positive, it can also be negative. So Theta get to this realization. We now have to look at examples. So example number 1, tiri kuti kudini. Pa example number 1, let us say we have 3000. Toda kuiconverta to standard form. Zvatinotanga kuita, we have to take note kuti koma iri papi. Sapanapa tikuona kuti koma iri panapa. So because koma iri uko, zvoreva kuti koma inofanirwa kumuvha 1, 2, 3 places. Kuitira kuti the value of a ive a number between 1 and 10. But iri kumuvha in that direction, which means our power should be a positive. Therefore, this is equal to 3 times 10 to the power 3. So to the power 3 iri kubva pakuti the number of places the comma moved. The sign of the power iri kubva pa the direction of movement. And while we are moving in this particular direction, we want to make sure a is reduced to a number between 1 and 10. That's how it's done. We can couple up with another example, 0.148 in standard form. Saka koma yedu panapa ichangomuvha 1 place kuti tive na 1.48. But because yakumuvha in the opposite direction of positive, should be a negative power. So it's just times 10 to the power minus 1. Kana tadaro tinenge tapedza. So if we are able to convert or to express in standard form, adding and subtracting numbers in standard form becomes easier, because the easiest way of going about it, we just convert the standard forms to ordinary numbers. So reverse operation panapa ainetse, it's just 3 times 10 to the power 3, zvoreva kuti 10 times 10 times 10, which of course it's 1,000. This becomes 3,000. The same happens here, 1.48 times 1 over 10. Do your thing and you get to your answer. So kana takuda kuedda or kusubtracta, the easiest way of doing it, tinongoconverta back ma-standard forms aya back to ordinary, toedda ordinarily, then answer yedu tozoiconverta back to standard. That is what we do. But kana takuda kuita multiply and divide numbers in standard form, maybe this is important to note. When we are multiplying and dividing numbers in standard form, we can do also zvatinongoita for addition and subtraction. We can convert the standardized numbers to ordinary form, do our multiplication and division, then answer yatawana, product or quotient, toidzosera to standard form. So I think that will be lucrative. But if you want to be creative, let me just show you an example of creativity. This will be 3 times 10 to the power 3, for example, multiplying 1.48 times 10 to the power minus 1. So what we do here is we collect these numbers. 3 times 1.48, they are multiplying 10 to the power 3 times 10 to the power minus 1. Then apapa takuapply my laws of indices. Law yatoapply inoti iyo a to the power b times a to the power c is equal to a to the power b plus c. Therefore, whatever zvachawana tamultiplier panapa, which you should do in your own time, multiplying by 10 to the power, panapa tetangoti 3 plus minus 1, like that. So what we get here, multiplying 10 to the power plus na minus and minus, brought 3 minus 1, which is 2. Saka zvatichawana apa zvinogona kuda kuzoreducwa futi. Maybe as a courtesy call, let us just do it. Times 3, 8, 16, 24, 2, 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Saka iyi yabva yatongobuda yakanaka, because this value is between 1 and 10 times 10 squared. That will be our final answer. But sometimes this number inogona kubuda story isinga satisfy the demands of A. You also have to express that particular number in standard form. Then you merge with times 10 squared. Mozvisanganisa muchishandisa ma-laws of indices. So for multiplication, ndo law iyo inoshanda. But kana tava kudivision, law inoshanda ndeiyi inoti a to the power b over a to the power c iri equal to a to the power b minus c. Inoshanda sei? Ngatiti tapiwa 3 times 10 to the power 3 over 1.48 times 10 to the power minus 1. This will be equal to 3 over 1.48 and times 10 to the power 3 over 10 to the power minus 1. Saka iyi ndo inenge equal to 3 over 1.48 times 10 to the power 3 minus minus 1. So it's 3 minus. Pamusana pekuti tiri ku apply that law of indices, which is this one. Then the value yatiri kusubtract and minus 1. So it's actually 3 over 1.48 times 10 to the power 4. Then modila nepanapa, madila napo, using what we learned rest of now fractions. You might need to multiply both denominator and numerator by 100. Then madaro manje, you come back here. Then you match them. That is how it is done. So this lesson is not particularly telling you the skills or the concepts. We have taught them. This is simply a revision to revamp and to make sure you keep these concepts and formulae at the back of your palm, on your fingertips, as your second nature, as part of you. That is the goal of this. So now let us now go to irrational numbers. We now need to look at irrational numbers. We have to kick off with a definition. Basically, an irrational number is the opposite of a rational number. That's it. The opposite of a rational number. So we have to define a rational number. Basically, a rational number is just a real number. And real numbers consist of fractions. They consist of integers. They consist of decimals. Any form of number we use in everyday life is part of the set of real numbers. Saka manamba asiri rational ndiko kuti irrational. I know kuti it's just a negative statement, but you are going to see kuti it's actually a workable definition. So when we are looking at irrational numbers, we are going to be particularly interested in Cheptanga decimals. Not all decimals, because remember decimals are also rational. Some decimals are rational, some decimals are not. Saka decimals are irrational. Ndo akaita sei. Decimals anenge aine an ending decimal points. And kachiti unending decimal points tiri kuti mukaisa mucalculator ndoya inobuditsa ine koma mazinamba anenge achisvika kana 13 dzimwe nguva 16 depending nestrength yecalculator yamuri kushandisa. So that is part of decimals anenge ari irrational numbers. And panapa we can actually bring an example. For example, 0.57142857 and so forth. It's an example of an irrational number because there is no pattern to the numbers after the comma. Let us now look at a very interesting phenomena. And this phenomena is called pi. Saka takatarisa pi inodefiniwa as irrational. And we say pi inge equal to 3.14. Vanoita makwikwi vamwe vanotoziva kusvikira ku the 100th. Kusvika ku the 100th decimal value. Then we have supercomputers which have calculated millions of numbers after the comma. And they are never repeating. Correct? There is no pattern particularly. It's very fascinating. Saka pi ikauya inenge iri an irrational number. But what happens here is, if we look at pi like this, tine this form of pi, then we have this approximate form of pi, which is 22/7. Saka inenge iri irrational number. As ish inenge iri irrational number. Kana kuti part of the set Q. So this is fascinating. 22/7, it's an approximate value of pi. it's a rational number. As iyo pi yacho, it's irrational. Mapaona. So it's important to take note that this is an approximate value. Kureva kuti haizi iyo pi, inhamba yatongoshandisa kuti zvireruke. For example, the acceleration of free fall is 10 meters per second per second. The acceleration of free fall, it's approximately 9.81 meters per second per second. But tinoshandisa 10 kana tiri kuolevel kuitira kuti zvireruke. Another example, the speed of light is not 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. No, it's actually 298 million something meters per second. But we use an approximate value. So approximate value tinoshandisa for ease of calculation. You understand? That's 22/7 for you. So ndo inowanzo kushandiswa in the replacement of pi. But another thing I want to give you as advice. If musina kuudziwa explicitly nemubvunzo, do not convert pi to 22/7. Write your answers in terms of pi. It's just my advice. Okay. So tadaro manje. There is something which is also of vital importance. And it's actually a nota bene. We should know that recurring decimals are rational numbers. Recurring decimals are rational numbers. Example yatinayo hama isai 2/3 mucalculator ichakubuditsirai answer yakati 0.666666666 ichiramba ichingoenda. Saka iyi inenge yakunyorwa yakati iyo 2/3 is equal to 0.6 recurring ungeiswa kadot pamusoro. This 0.6 recurring, it's a rational number. Saka decimal inova irrational under two conditions. Number one, it should not be exact. Number two, it should not have a pattern pamadecimal places. Apona. Kana yakati 0.1843220 zvichingodaro. It's irrational. Does not make sense. Rationality means sensibility. Does it make sense? But kana ine a certain pattern, it becomes a rational number. So after discussing my rational numbers, we should also know panapa with another example of irrational numbers. They're actually unexact roots, square roots. And we are going to dive into square roots knee deep, talking about what are called surds. So kana chitaura pamusoro pesad, tiri kungorefer to a square root which is not exact. For example, tikati the square root of 2. Tikaisa square root of 2 mucomputer kana kuti mucalculator inotipa zimwe zinhamba which is irrational. Asi tikaisa the square root of 4 inongotipa 2 kana kuti plus or minus 2 depending. So the square root of 2 is called a surd. Maona. But tiri pamasurds tine inonzi surd form, expressing in surd form kana reducing to surd form. Ndiyo inotiudza kuti kana tine square root of x squared y inenge iri equal to the square root of x squared times the square root of y, which is equal to the square root of x squared and x times the square root of y. This is equal to x the square root of y. That is very important. And better simplified in an example, the square root of 32 is equal to the square root of 16 times 2. This is the square root of 16 times the square root of 2, which is equal to 4 times the square root of 2, which is equal to 4 root 2. What you should take note of is this number 16, it's a perfect square. So one of the numbers should be a perfect square for the surd form to be possible. Kana chiti perfect square tiri kureva kuti this is a number with a square root. full stop. 16 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square, 49 is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square, 81 is a perfect, 100 is a perfect, endless. Angori manhamba ane square root. Understand? So that is how it's done. So tripano, let us now go to the multiplication of surds. Multiplication of surds. So if we have the square root of a multiplying the square root of b, this is equal to the square root of a times b, which is equal to the square root of ab. The square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is equal to the square root of 2 times 3, which is equal to the square root of 6. So that is how we multiply. Of course, it's going to come with many twists and bends. That is how questions are asked, but that is the general foundational knowledge which you should have and appreciate. Tine now futhi yekuti we are given a, the square root of b. Tokuda kuidzosera kana toda kuita kurivhesa process, inenge iri equal to the square root of a squared times b, which is equal to the square root of a squared b. Pada mungazvinzwisisa kana tikati, for example, 4 the square root of 2 like that. Tikada kuidzosera toita kuti 4 inoi yova squared over that times 2. This is equal to 16 times 2, which is equal to the square root of 32. Saka mufanira kungogona kuexpress inside form, mufanira kugona futi kurivhesa. You might find that needful sometimes. So zvataita apo explains the multiplication of surds. But let us pause and look at the division of surds, or rather surds in fractions. So now surds in fractions, ngatiti tapiwa example a over the square root of b. Kana tichida kusolve now is, if we have a square root in our denominator, it's clear, it's unusual to have a square root in our denominator. But if we so much have a square root in our denominator, what do we have to do? We just have to multiply by the same square root, so that my square root anoita cancel out. So this is equal to a, the square root of b, over the square root of b times the square root of b and db. Process ish inonzi rationalizing. And kachiti rationalize, tirongoti we are making it a rational number. So the moment it has a square root in the denominator, it's not a rational number. To make it one, that is what we should do. You understand? Saka, bringing you examples, 6 over the square root of 3, we will multiply the square root of 3 over the square root of 3 to give 6 the square root of 3 over 3, and 3 over the square root of 4 the square root of 2. We will multiply the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. We concentrate on the square root only. This will be 3 the square root of 2 over 4 multiplying 2 to give 3 the square root of 2 over 8, like that. So ndo maitiro azvo.